everyone, my name's Emily. I hope you're all having an awesome, rockin', fun, amazing, spectacular, lovely day. I'm back again in my own room this time. Yes, I still have stuffed animals. Don't come for me. But as I was cleaning out my room, I found, I don't know if anyone remembers, but One Direction released a makeup kits, and I bought like all of them because I'm, you know, a dedicated fan. I've never actually used it, so we're gonna try it out today. I don't know if it's good quality. It's still wrapped up and everything. Had to wipe a bunch of dust off of it. So let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna try and use as much as this for my actual makeup as possible. Whatever they give me, I will use it. Here, let's just take a gander, okay? They have They have options here for our makeup choices. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know, maybe I'll go off the books. Do I ever though? No, but they also have nail polish and I didn't see that, so we're just gonna and they also have stencils, which is fine. Maybe we'll do a stencil on our face. I'm just going all over the place today, but this was the Up All Night palette makeup kit, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so basically all the makeup things are titled by songs on the album. So this bright pink lip gloss is called, you can't see it, but it's called Taken Beauty Gear. This is Stand Up eyeliner. It's blue. So the theme for this one is like blue, which is why I wore like the blue. Also, these might be expired and I might develop some sort of eye infection, but you know, we're gonna keep going. So this is our eyeshadow palette. Look how nice, very bright. So here are our names, because they're names of songs off the album. So this is Save You Tonight, More Than This, Up All Night, Gotta Be You, and Another World. I'm literally not gonna try to use any of my other eyeshadow palettes. I'm just gonna use this. And I think I'm just gonna do like face makeup because they didn't really give us any face makeup stuff. This is gonna be such a bad look. They gave us bright pink lipstick and blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna look like every middle schooler when you first get makeup and you're like, blue and pink. Yeah! Well, anyway, here's our bright pink lipperloo called I Should Have Kissed You. Now, I don't know that song. I don't know if that was like a exclusive or what, but I did not hear that one. Pretty sure this is mascara. What? They called this Little Black Dress. That was not off this album, sweet. Oh, it's not coming out. I'm literally trying to... Okay, for safety purposes, and so I don't have to remove my eye, I'm just not gonna use their mascara because I think I got this kit in like 2015, 14, whenever it came out. I don't see a year on it, so it's all expired, but I'm gonna still use it. These are the little stencils. Look how fun that is. Look, that's fun. A little diamond. Oh, a little like, I'm your queen. Triangles. Lightning bolts. And arrows. Out of all of these, when I think of blue, I would think of the diamond, so we'll do a diamond. This is just for inspiration, but it says, create your up all night party girl look, plus many more. Okay, anyway, you put the More Than This shade. I don't know why you would put it under your eyebrow, but they did it. Then you put the shiny glitter there, and you put more blue there. Or you can still put that same brown right underneath your eyebrow for some reason, and you put more brown there, and you put Another World that wasn't a single on their album but is still in here for some reason, and then you have the brown again, and this is a lot of blue, and yeah. I'm gonna do my face makeup except for the eyeshadow and lips, and then we're gonna do something with this, maybe on the cheeky cheeks. I'll check back with you when I've done the face makeup. Boo! We're back. Okay. I turned more into Bulby. See, I try to do like this. I like the Brett look, right? But I think I'm balding or something at 19, so it doesn't really look the best. But I figured since we're doing a blue look, Oh, I should have done like blue and pink because we have the pink. It's fine. But the theme is blue, so I did blue. And I put a ton of primer and concealer on my eyelid just so this makeup is not in direct contact with my skin because I don't know what's gonna break out. I was going back and forth between if I wanted to do a cut crease or a halo eye, but I've never done a halo eye and they're kind of scary to me because they're hard to do. But I think I'm just gonna do a cut crease. You know what, guys? Balls to the walls. We're gonna do a halo eye. I don't think it's gonna turn out good, but we're gonna do it. So we're gonna be taking more than this and using that as our base shape. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Oh, my skin isn't burning yet. Yeah, like I've said, I've never done a halo eye. I know you go like back and forth and then it's like in the center, but you need to like, I think you need to make it big. Can you tell anything changed? I don't think so. Okay, going to Gotta Be You. It's like a grayish color, so good luck. These are all very glittery too, and you're not supposed to like use glittery shades to like be in your crease and stuff. Oh, this one's shimmery too. Great. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I'm doing a halo eye correctly. I know you start with like the darks on the corners, but again, I've never done one. I think what we're gonna do is be like darkest, medium, then like in the center. All right, let me talk about One Direction while we're at it, you know, while we're here. I love them, and you can like try and tell me all you want that they're broken up, but you know what? I'll believe that they're still on a break. Because you know, one day, they're gonna have a reunion. And you know who's gonna be there? Front row. Buying all the tickets in the arena. Hopefully I can make enough money to do so. And it's just gonna be a private concert for me. Because I stuck around. You know Jonas Brothers? You thought they were broken up, huh? Think again. Backstreet Boys. They made a comeback. Big Time Rush still hangs out together. Favorite song off of this album, Up All Night. There's so many good ones. You know, Stand Up doesn't get enough recognition that it deserves, but I think it's quite frankly one of the bops. Again, I don't know how to do this, so we're just gonna go in with a medium shade, which is Another World. It gets blue, like, look, it got it all in my Gotta Be You. Oh. I don't know if I should be rubbing this into my skin. Oh no, my tears got in it. Oh no. Oh. It's magic, you know. Screw all y'all who hate on the sponge. I should have just done a cut crease. I don't think I'm doing it right. It's like you just scrape off the shiny top and then like the bottom's not too bad. Now we're gonna go to the darkest shade in the middle, which is Up All Night. Oh, she's a cream. So technically she should have been in the middle. Okay, everybody remain calm. All right, we're gonna take the turquoise, which is Save You Tonight, and we're gonna put that in the middle because give it like a bright underneath. And then we'll put the glitter on top of it. I don't know if it'll look good, but we're gonna do it. Okay, please tell me why these are like so pigmented. Did I just do a halo eye? They just look like a streak in the middle of my eye. I'll never be good enough. You're insecure. Yeah, this middle one is definitely cream, but we're gonna try it out. Oh. That's a look. Oh no. I'm ruining it. I'm giving myself raccoon eyes. We need the sponge. I don't care what y'all say. It's good for compact. Oh, I'm gonna put concealer down the middle to try and revive this. I did too much. This is why I don't do halo eyes. Guys, and this is all my technique making the errors here, you know? The makeup's actually pretty good. I'm no beauty guru, as I stated before. Like, it needs blended into my skin. I'm sorry, One Direction. I failed you. You know what, that's it. Well, we still got our stand-up eyeliner. I don't even know how I'm gonna get a nice wing out of this. Let me see if I can like, oh yes, it's working. All right, and then I could just, nice. I did a wing. It's not the best, but it's a wing. Okay, here's our, for right now, product. We're gonna do underneath the eye, but I'm just gonna take that Another World and shove it underneath my eye. Looks like I'm crying. Well, I am, but like... Wait, what if I added the highlight to the middle? It helped a little bit. Maybe some fake lashes will help make this look better, because it's not looking too good right now, huh? Guys, I think my theory that fake lashes can help anything is really working out right here, because ooh, they helped a lot. You know, it was a train wreck, and you know, it's more just like a train now. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's a train, and you're like, oh, that's cool. The last but not least, the finale of it all, we have our bright pink lipsticks, which are either gonna ruin this or, you know, seal the deal. So we have I Should Have Kissed You, Topped With, Taken, the lip gloss. Oh my gosh. Am I your ideal female One Direction? Am I? You know, I kind of feel like that. I don't even know what to say. I do look like Aunt Hilda though. Aunt Hilda is my favorite character, so you know what? I'm glad to look like her. We haven't even added the lip gloss yet, guys. I'm the peak of feminine attractiveness. Well, here's the final look. Should I do a montage video? Why did I think this was a good pairing? I look like a Barbie doll gone wrong on so many levels. Oh no, Harry. Where are my diamonds? I'm thinking we just do like, oh, can you, like there and then there or something? I feel like we should just use that slime that's in the middle of this. Okay, let's see if it worked. Hey, that's pretty cute. Alright guys, well, this is the final look. The peak of attractiveness according to One Direction. Like overall, not terrible makeup. They did something like that. It's pretty pigmented, so you can tell. My lips aren't burning, which is surprising, so there's that. My eyes feel fine for now. Okay guys, well we got 2 more pals to go. We got Take Me Home and we got Midnight Memories. Will they be able to top the epitome of beauty that is on my face right now from the Up All Night palette? I don't know. It's gonna be hard, but we'll find out together. And we'll see whatever I upload next. Alright, goodbye. Love you. Mwah. One Direction still not broken up, okay? Bye.